Components and stages of human-machine interaction. The key components and stages of HMI. First, input devices. Input devices help us send information or commands to a machine. Here are some common examples. First, keyboards and mouse, used for typing and clicking on desktop computers. Second, touchscreens, found in smartphones, tablets, and modern laptops, allowing users to touch the screen directly. Third, voice recognition systems, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa listen to spoken commands and act on them. Third, gesture sensors, devices like Microsoft Kinect track body movements to control games or apps. Second, output devices. Output devices provide feedback from the machine to the user. Here are some examples. First, monitors and screens display text, images, and videos. Second, speakers and headphones provide audio feedback, like music or notifications. Third, haptic feedback devices vibrate or give physical feedback. Example, when your phone buzzes. Third, software and algorithms. Software connects input and output. It uses algorithms to decide how the machine should respond to the user's commands. First, example, when you search on Google, an algorithm processes your query and shows relevant results. Second, voice assistant example, if you ask Alexa to play music, the algorithm understands your request and starts playing the song. Fourth, stages of interaction. Every interaction between humans and machines happens in these stages. First, input stage. The user provides input through an input device, example, typing or speaking to a virtual assistant. Second, processing stage. The machine processes the input using software and algorithms to determine what to do next. Third, output stage. The machine provides feedback, example, showing search results or answering a question. Fourth, feedback stage. The user receives the response and can give more input. Continuing the interaction.